Oo, pwede ka na ka, Linda na. Say hello, say hi. Say hi. Say hi, mga buhay tata. Hi. Ay, hindi ka na. Hi, ang tata. Ang operator. Hello. Aring pala mo nun.
Watching you stand alone. All of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. I have died every day.
Say, sir, it's a surprise.
For you, darling, don't be afraid.
You say surprise. Say surprise. Say surprise. With honors. Lioko, ano naman? Say surprise. Surprise, tata.
Time stands still, beauty in ocean.
Surprise.
I will be brave. I
Wow,
will not
nakita ko na.
let anything take away what's standing in front of me. Every breath, every hour has come to this. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. All along I believed I would find you. Time has brought her to me. One step
Duha ka bilog akon. Gani. Si mga dugon. Sir lang tis paper pa. Huwag no cheating pa. Di mahal ka no cheating pa. Si Bamba mo to. I-google ya pa ta ni message ya.
All along I believed I would find you. Time has brought
And put God as the center of your relationship. Ito ni Maymay, hindi pagkalimti. Yes! Yes! Wow. I love you. Mwah, hugs. Tapos may sugpon. Congrats, Tata. Happy? Happy. Hahaha. Advance best wishes to you and Gia.
Anyway, hindi ko basaw. When you're married already, be understanding in every accept. Hindi na ko to. Be understanding of your married life. Hindi ka na tanin magsinuplada sa akon. Gaan mo na kuporta. enough and have an unlimited position. Di ba pa kambalo na? Enjoy your married life. Sex all you want as long as you can.
Cousin! Wishing you all the best in life and happiness. Always remember your vows.
2020.
Wow! May ano na? Blatter! Blatter! Pork! Blatter! May blatter!
Okay.
May date pa ba? Time?
Beach, give the beach. Beach friend. First, thank you for being great.
Great?
Hindi ko
Great.
alam kung ano, G-R-E-E-T or
Rose feeling naman
Ano
siya.
mo yan, G-R-I-T.
Great.
And super one friend. Thank you for standing by my side
Wow!
when times get hard. Thank you for making me laugh. Bawang kanta bang when I didn't even want to smile. So life, I wish you I wish you happiness, contentment. Di pa ko nakabalong spell sa contentment. In search ko. Sabi ko ay. Always put God first in your life. I am here for you no matter what happens. Pag may problema ka, PM lang ko ha. I love you, my beach friend. Pag nagusong ka, wala na lang ng banday bata. Let's go. I love you, congrats.
Yaya na sumba.
Beach friend! Beach friend! Wake up! Okay, para... So, heart is your favorite. But you have to open it. Yes.
Natawa lang na.
Tanawa! I-open! I-open!
Limutan ako na daan buho para diretso na kay Jimmy. Sorry, gitli. May suko na para di ka sa may kope. Diretso na lang, Jimmy. Yan girian ko na lang sa tawa. Kay Mara. Diretso na ka. No, ano na. Lusot na. Yaw ko na pakita. Guys, kabalohan ang ano mo. Sakit ko na.
Mani mo! Ano mo tulog?
Tulog.
Kaya no? Sakit. Maano pa na siya, mapula-pula. Kaya kayo, patay! Luminaw siya, dahil na yun! Sino kayo si Silin? Basta, Abit Bani si Silin. Abit Bani si Silin. Basta, hindi ka mo magkabalaka na mag-away ka mo bala. Kabalo na ko sa silo. Gaga. Wala pa rin ka. Dahil normal na sa inyo na buwa. Nga magka-mukha na balaw. Baby sister. So, nato tayong baby. Tapos, always remember, love doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be true in understanding each other. English ba? Thank you.
Pag pa, tapos ako pag-idigian, bisan pasuplada sa imo. Always remember, bisan may bana ka na, ari lang kami gyapon para sa imo. Hindi kami dito utang, ari lang talak. Thank you sa pagpalangga sa mga bata. For me, wish you all the best in your new life as a wife. Ari lang ko di permisi mo, pwera lang sa kwarta. Wala ko. Wala ako ubra. Good luck and best wishes. Love you, Mama. Chup chup. Hello. Hoy! Dahil lagi pala, ang box hindi ko magaboy. Kay, higa ka ni Mama. May pangayo po siya. Ha? Busy ba? Natawa lang.
Open!
Open, hindi dapat yan.
Natawa lang din.
Music box.
Uy, bata, naigo ka na? Naigo ka na?
Ako na say, 69 more years of happiness. Go. Run away with your courage. More power. Heart's desire and happiness. Always choose yourself above all others. Compromise, listen, and stay gold. To long and lasting marriage. Wow. Oh yeah! Ang gift! Haba nila. Nabasahan ko ne. Nga dapat ko no, sa first night nyo, haba ni Mama Cecil, kulbaan ka pa na ko no? Kulbaan ka na! So, kinahanglan, you have to fit. Akong gift.
Fit and right.
Yeah, guys. Ang tulak.
You have to fit.
Hitman.
Dapat na-sharon mo. Yes. Kung hindi mo gusto mag-measure, pwede ka man mag-roleplay. Fifty Shades of Grey. Dapat i-hashtag.
All the best. Enjoy. Go lang ng go.
Kanto lang ni siya. So,
Wala pa man.
bro, I'm just so happy for you. Happy because
Hindi ko yung
si Gian, kaya ginapanang gaya, because ang tudo, maski kamatik siya si mo.
Hindi ko yung mag-ibig.
I'm so happy, kaya ginanjindigid ka. Tani, sila sa magbag mo. And I'm praying for your marriage. Na mag-intindihanay ka mo, magpanangganay pa rin. God, please, be patient man sa iya. Amo lang na, iba naman sa kanya. I love you, bro. Congratulations. Gusto ko na, ane!
Ang sa inyo, Gian, yung sa wedding. King, wala ni Tata.
Ako pa lang na! Sabi ko na sa puso. Kagabi yung palagi sulatan. Ay, gano'n ko talaga, bro. Kasi mag-prepare ka dahil message na. Ang boss. Ikaw na.
Way back in our college days.
Realme? Di ba Manila?
Until now, that you'll never forget what happened in life. We both hate each other because of our differences. Sa ugali, sa buhay, lifestyle, etc.
Nandiyan na video ka, di ba lang?
But in spite of our differences, made our friendship made stronger. Wala kayo choice na. Wala kayo Kami lang kumigaw. I always believe sa phrase nga, everything happens for a reason. And maybe the real reason of our dear God why He pulled us together, because we really meant for each other.
Reset din ako to din naman.
After our role by heart, and no one can ever change that. Over the years between us,
Naku, 50 over 50 na ng 50.
after our graduation, we have spoken every chance we had, whether through text messages, social media, whatever adventures this now this couple brings you. It's the beginning, and I am so excited to watch you grow into us, badass.
Ako na nga sa wedding. Sa wedding na. Wedding na. Wedding naman.
Nakibugi ko! Nakibugi ko! Abi ko to, mamusuon ka lang din. Nagbayang iniwalay ba? Lagi ko na
opisina, kaya abi ko may Starbucks karon. So wala.
Look forward.
Look forward to ng Starbucks. Buwas pa gali.
Buwas pa.
Thank you, gid kag invited, gid ka mo tanan sa kasal.
Wala na ito, atrasan.
Uy, naka-video.